These are the materials I use to make the arch support. Silicone arch support. Silicone, soap, and water. This is what it looks like. So I am going to put a little this soap washer in here, and then the pump, 3 pump. You're supposed to make your hands slip. Okay, so what I want to do next is I want to mold it into my arch, putting on a flip-flop. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put a layer of this wrap and put the silicone inside, and then cover it, and then put on the shoe, make it straight. Stand on it. So here it is. It's still soft. I don't think it's cured yet. Here it is. So I'm gonna wait maybe 5 minutes. Here is the result of the arch support that I made earlier. It's cured pretty fast. It's flexible and it's custom to my arch. Okay, so now if you just want to put like this, you can glue it with the same silicone. So you can glue it, turn it upside down, and glue it down, and you're all set. But for this one, I think I'm going to wrap it, because the silicone that I have is a construction silicone. It's not a food grade silicone, and I'm not sure about the skin effect that this kind of silicone has. So I am going to wrap it up with the fabric. So what I do is I'm going to cut this the side like this, and then I'm going to turn it upside down. So this is the part that is going to touch my skin, to put it here, and the other one is where I'm touching the slipper. This is where I have it like this. Alright, so I turn it upside down and then put it here, and then I put the glue on, just like this one. And then after that, after you glue it all together with the same silicone, right, you put a little extra of silicone on it, and then you glue it on the slipper, just like here that I did. The silicone, glue it in very well, it stay. On this one I didn't wrap it. This one I wrap it with the fabric, and here you can see the silicone stay very well. Okay, so I am going to put some right here. cords that I use to put inside the socks or to walk with the slippers. So I found these dress shoes nylon. So they are in the perfect size for my insert. So I use them to put inside the socks, and then you can secure them with either a glue gun or the silicone gun, or you can sew it in. But I want to see how they feel before I sew them in. And plus you can have the option of take them out and wash the socks. So I leave that decision to you. So now you know how to make all the silicone insert for your shoes, your sandals, and now you don't have to buy or suffer any more pain.